Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is another subscription service. When I tell you guys that I've been going crazy over subscription services lately, I was not kidding. This one showed up either on my Facebook or Instagram, I'm not sure, and I decided to look into it and I decided to get one to show you guys. So this is called my Inspo box, and I'm gonna read to you directly from the site. I decided to be prepared. I've been getting more prepared for my subscription services videos. All right, so this says no samples, no minis, just $100 and more of full-size goodies for only $29.99. So my Inspo box contains 5 to 7 perfectly curated premium products to wow and inspire you to be your best. They can include lifestyle, wellness, beauty, home, and other awesome everyday products that you will love. So apparently this is a monthly one, and I believe the thing inside is women-owned small business stuff. Either that or they support women-owned small business. I'm not really understanding, but I read something along those lines on the website. So I'm a little confused because I see a picture here that says June and July box. So I don't know if this is June and July, but supposedly it's a monthly box. So I'm kind of confused. I'm not really sure, but let's just get into it. And guys, the shipping extremely fast. So I think you guys would like that part about it. The shipping is super fast. All right, so when you open it up, the box on the outside looks just like regular cardboard, but then when you open it, it says my Inspo box and the goodies here. So let me do this sideways. All right, so it says, welcome to my Inspo box. Thank you for subscribing. All right, so that's what you get here on your card, and it doesn't tell you what comes in the card. I mean, it doesn't tell you what comes in the box, which kind of sucks, but I mean, we'll just deal with it. And then it just gives you, yeah, this is the schedule. So apparently this box is not monthly, it's kind of like bi-monthly, but every box is supposed to represent 2 months. So for example, this is the June-July box, if you understand me. And then the other one will be August-September. All right. So first thing that I see here are 3 masks, and these are hair conditioning masks, and they're huge. Look at this, guys. These are made in Korea, and apparently this is how you use them. Like, you're supposed to put all your hair in there. Like, this is real cool. This is a 10-minute treatment, and it hydrates and nourishes, argan oil and flower extract infused. And it says Kala hair conditioning mask is infused with essential nutrients for maintaining and strengthening hair, such as jojoba oil, argan oil, and floral extracts. Activated with natural body heat, formula revitalizes, smooths, and nourishes for beautiful silky hair. Super cool. I like this. Next thing I see is a little mini palette from the Balm Cosmetics. And this is called Smoke Balm with Foil, Volume 4 Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my God, so pretty. Oh, these are pretty neutral colors. So a nice little small mirror, and then you get your little colors right there. And I will definitely swatch them for you. So these are the colors, very just neutral colors. So I don't understand, they don't look foiled to me though. They really don't. The only one that looks foiled is Striking, which is this color right here. The rest don't really look foiled. They just look like regular, but if they say foiled, I'm guessing they're foiled. And then they give you like 3 different looks you can do here. So that's nice little travel palette to take with you. Next thing in here is from Iconic Beauty, Los Angeles. And this is a Cool Sticks. And this is use Cool Sticks to depuff and cool your skin. So this would be nice as an under eye. Let's open this up. I wish I could tell you what everything retails for, but I don't know why they didn't include I just don't. Oh, look, I found it on the website. All right, so this Balm eyeshadow retails for $14.99. The 3-pack hair masks retail for $11.99. And this retails for, oh, this one's not on here. This one is definitely not on here. The Cool Sticks. It's not on here. I guess it's something extra. I'm not gonna open it. You can see this is good for the under eyes. Next thing in here is from Suva Beauty, and this is a glossy lamination liquid lipstick. And this one is definitely on the website, except it doesn't tell you the retail price. So can't help you there. Oh my God, this is a beautiful color. This is in the color Elysium. That's a weird name. But oh my God, these colors are so up my alley. It kind of looks a little bit like the one I have on today. Ooh, very beautiful. Definitely will like this, you guys know. It looks a lot like the color I have on. Look how beautiful. I love that. Doesn't tell you how much it retails for. Next thing in here is a Urban Salon Pro oval cushion brush. So that's what this looks like. And apparently this is also, oh, it is on the list. This is $7.99. $7.99. It says it smooths and detangles. Next thing in here is from Lunar Jewels, and this is a gemstone necklace, and it retails for $24.99. I'm starting to think that this is $14.99. It just apparently has like a different brand name on it. I don't know. All right, so we get a little card, and then we get this very pretty necklace with this gemstone on it. Can you guys see? Very pretty. That retails for $24.99. And then the last thing in here is this, which I'm kind of excited about. This says it's the Love and Happiness Donut Towel. And this retails for $24.99. Ooh, and I think it's in the shape of a donut too. I'm gonna have to stand up for this one, guys. This is huge. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So it's like your typical donut with sprinkles. That is very cute. My boys would love that. My boys would love this. And I like that it's in the actual shape of a donut, which makes it even cuter. All right, guys, so that is all the products for my Inspo box. So let's do a little recap. So we get the donut towel, we get the under eye depuffer, we get the liquid lip, we get the brush, we get the necklace, we get the 3-pack hair conditioning masks, we get the we get the Balm eyeshadow palette, and that's it, right? Let me know what you guys think. This is a $29.99 box. Let me know if you guys like it, what you think about it. Is it worth it? Would you subscribe to this? My personal thoughts, I did like this box. I would definitely stay subscribed to see what the next box brings. It isn't something that I like need right now or that I want to have, because a lot of these things, I really don't need a brush, and I definitely have like beach towels. And you know, when you think about it that way, you're kind of like, oh, well, I really don't need all this stuff. But it's definitely something that is nice to have. So, and it's not that expensive, which is nice. That's the best part about it. So I'm just like very, very happy to see what's gonna come in the August and September box and see how I like that. I did enjoy trying this box, and after the next subscription, I'll make a decision whether I'm gonna stay subscribed or not. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think, what your favorite product was, if you would subscribe, all of that, and I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. And I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.